Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fruit sangria, step by step. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients you'll need to create this refreshing beverage. You'll want to select a good quality dry red or white wine, about 1 standard bottle, which is 750 milliliters. Also, gather a colorful assortment of fresh fruits like oranges, lemons, and berries. Don't forget a splash of brandy, some orange juice, and a touch of sweetener. Now that you have your ingredients, the next crucial step is preparing the fruit. Start by thoroughly washing all your fresh produce. For citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, slice them into thin rounds or elegant half-moons. For softer fruits such as peaches, apples, or pears, you'll want to dice or quarter them into manageable, bite-sized pieces. This variety in cuts adds both visual appeal and a delightful texture to your sangria. With your fruit prepped, it's time to combine everything into a beautiful sangria. Carefully place all the sliced and diced fruit into a large pitcher or a festive punch bowl. Next, pour in your entire bottle of wine, which is typically 750 milliliters. Then, add about 1/2 cup of brandy and 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice. Finally, stir in 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar or your preferred sweetener until dissolved. The final, and perhaps most important, step is to chill your sangria. Cover your pitcher or bowl and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight if possible. This crucial chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and the fruit to infuse the liquid. When you're ready to serve, pour your refreshing sangria over ice in individual glasses. For an extra special touch, garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.